This sweet Taiwanese beauty from Taiwan is named ShanShan and was once known by the online name Kaka. She is currently a model, with an outstanding appearance and perfect figure. She has a high popularity in the modeling world. In her free time, she also works as a live stream influencer on the internet. On her IG account, she is a big influencer with over 400,000 followers and is a popular internet celebrity. Unlike other influencers, ShanShan is an amateur oil painting enthusiast in private. With a pretty oval face and a smile that makes her eyes curl, she gives a gentle girl next door feeling. ShanShan may be a well-known internet influencer due to her work. In her self-portraits and posed photos, she has a graceful and charming posture, with a tall and perfect figure. No matter whether she is dressed in a sweet, student, sister, elegant, Lolita, or charming style, she can handle it perfectly and is a walking clothes hanger and a fashion queen.